Hi, I'm Zeze Oreaki-Sao, and the founder of Malée Natural Science. Our Verdure Eau De Perfume is one of my favorites for a handbag essential. Great for traveling at 12 mils. You can use it any time of the day. With the citrus and the mint and the base notes of patchouli, this is an amazing long-lasting fragrance. Made with 30% fragrance oils, this is going to last you all day long. The greatest way to use this is apply it directly onto the skin at key pulse points across your body. And you'll find that this helps as your pulse starts to increase at different times in the day, helps open up the amazing fragrance. And so having long-lasting fragrance doesn't need to be a secret, especially one that you keep in your bag that's great for travel. This is unisex and suitable for all skin types. A great pro tip from me to you: don't crush your fragrance, as these crushes all the different notes. Always dab or pat onto your pulse points.